everyone, welcome back again here at London School of Music. My name is Panella, and today's drum lessons I will be showing you a really nice exercise which I call one hand single strokes tower. Tower because we will be changing notes, counting differently, using quarter notes, 8 notes, 8 notes triplets, 16 notes triplets, and 16 notes. I'm going to show you playing simple grooves now, based on this single strokes tower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Right, that was it. I hope you found this exercise interesting. As I said, focus on the pace and counting and interchanging the different notes. And you can play this exercise on the ride, on the floor tom, leading, or actually what I do, I'll play it left-handed so I can improve my left hand skills, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and so on. Hope you enjoyed the exercise. Let us know what you think in the comments. Have a good practice and have fun. I'll see you for the next drum lessons.